When we look at the oldest hieroglyphic of Osiris, ASR, we notice that it contains an eye and a throne. This helps us to understand the true meaning of the name ASR, who was called Osiris by the Greeks. The hieroglyphic of ASR unveils his Afa name. It unveils that his name originated from Afa as OSIRIS, ASR, which kept concealing to become ASR. And also, ASR means seven in Igbo. The seventh, the crown of life, the eye within the mind, the crown of the eye within the mind. So it represents the throne, because the pineal gland is the seat of the spirit. So the eye, which is the pineal gland, OSIRIS, sits on the throne of life. Your pineal gland, which is OSIRIS, is the throne of life. So ASR is a representation of the throne of life, which is OSIRIS, which is the light within the mind. The name ASR means the light within the mind, and it comes from Afa, light within the mind, the universal mind. Okay, the all-seeing eye. And ASR, who means OSIRIS, is Ele, the watcher, the infinite watcher. Thus, in primary Igbo, OSIRIS is Ele. That's why the original name of Chukwu is Ele. Ele, the infinite watcher of the universe. That is the meaning of Ele. El, the watcher. Ele in Igbo. That is ASR. Okobina uche mother. Okobina uche gen. The light within your mind. Akonu uche gen. That is the true meaning of ASR, who was called Osiris by the Greeks.